Hey everybody, Reneé here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about a common Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC. Today the code I'll be talking about is P0455. If you haven't stopped by a store for a free O'Reilly VeriScan diagnostic test, it's a simple way to get a full readout and recommendations that could help with diagnosis and repair. Technically speaking, OBD2 fault code P0455 means the evaporative emission system leak is detected and refers to a large leak in the emission system. A small leak would instead be indicated by code P0456. Practically speaking, this means that your EVAP system doesn't have adequate vacuum pressure and may be venting fuel vapors outside of the system. There can be various causes for this code, which include issues with your fuel cap, fuel tank filler neck, an EVAP system hose or hoses, a fuel tank sending unit gasket or seal, your carbon canister, evaporative vent or purge valve, the fuel tank, or fuel tank pressure sensor. Aside from a check engine light, the only other symptom you may notice is the smell of gasoline. It's a good idea to start by checking or replacing your gas cap, since that could be the issue, but it's possible that the problem may be elsewhere in your fuel system. It's okay to drive, but it's important to have the issue diagnosed as soon as possible, especially if the smell of fuel is particularly strong. Since the cause of this code can vary from one vehicle to the next, we recommend starting with an O'Reilly VeriScan report. If you're not sure where to start for this repair, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop in your area to help you determine which of the possible issues have caused the code, or codes, and what your course of action should be. If the necessary repair is one you think you can do yourself, we can get you the parts and supplies you need to get it done right. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.